Today you can repot this Cattleya with me. She's on her way out, as you can see. So I decided to repot her. This is a gift, so she's in the nursery pot. But I want to repot her in a terracotta pot. For the repotting I got so many options. Those are all pots I designed and handmade for orchids and plants, and you can shop them here. So this is the choice I made for her. A white terracotta pot, full with holes. A pot I designed for Cattleyas, Schomburgias, dendrobiums. He let the water flow down and let the orchid breathe. I make also little holes here, here and here to hang the plant with metal hooks or other solutions. So now I put some gloves on. To keep it all clean. And we are ready to repot her. For the first step, I love to disinfect my scissors with alcohol. I need scissors because I want to cut this old bloom here and here. So now I take the scissors and cut it here, and then I cut it here. So she's nice and clean. I take the Cattleya, hold her with my hand and squeeze the pot like this. In this way we can help the plant to get out from the pot. And voila! Beautiful roots. I don't like the media. This is a nursery media. Also for this reason I decide to repot her. So I hold with my hand the orchid and I remove all the old media. I'm careful to not break the roots. They are so beautiful, so healthy. They make me so happy. Look how healthy and beautiful these roots. Also the plant is very healthy. And look at here, look, a new growth. She makes me so happy. For the media, I mixed some bark, medium size, some cocoa fiber, and some clay pebbles. Look how different this mix is instead of the nursery one. This is like soil. This is a chunky mix, perfect for Cattleyas. So I put a little bit of the mix on the pot, then I take the orchid I put her down like this and I rotate the plant. Slowly and gently to not break the roots. Then I put a stick like this, one hole to the second hole, okay, to keep the orchid in place. Look, perfect. Then I add some mix to fill the pot. I like to put another stick like this with the metal wire. So the orchid feels safe in place. So this is the result. I don't know her name. It was a gift. She bloomed for me before. Is little, is a Mini Cattleya, and she's white. She's beautiful. I put here a video or a pic of her blooming. Let me know what do you think about the repotting, about the pot. I can't wait to see her grow and blooming again. You can shop these pots here.